And hi everybody, one of those days where if you love the weather, you are certainly watching it today. Take a look with me out at Mount Nittany through the course of the day. You can see that as we went through the midday hours, that was when the visibility was lowest and a cold front moved through with some gusty downpours, wind gusts well above 40 miles per hour in places, and that's when our temperatures took a tumble. Take a look back. This was 6 o'clock this morning in State College. We started the morning in the 60s, so if you left home early this morning, I hope you brought the jacket because a cold front then moved through during the midday hours, dropping our temperatures all the way down to the low 40s by early afternoon, and we are now in the 30s here in State College. An even better look at that cold front if we take a look at the state temperature map, and of course this is color-coded, so the greens and yellows indicating mild temperatures, the blues, which eventually take over the state through the course of the day, indicating cold temperatures. By early this morning, Pittsburgh was down into the 40s after high temperatures well into the 60s early in the morning, and that front eventually swept through central Pennsylvania. Watch the clock, 9:30, State College was still in the low 60s, but by midday and early afternoon, we dropped nearly 20 degrees into the low 40s here in State College. Eastern Pennsylvania through the early afternoon was still in the warm sector, but as we went through the afternoon, the cold is now dominating the state, and the only spot still in the 60s on this map at least is Philadelphia at 66. And the cold dominates everyone as we go through the overnight hours of tonight. A couple of snow flurries actually here in State College a couple of hours ago, more of those up around the New York border. The story though through the evening hours is a gusty wind, a lot of clouds, and an occasional flurry or a sprinkle here in central Pennsylvania. There is a lot of clearing though back to the west, and that is what heads into the region tomorrow, so we are certainly going to have improvement, although it should be quite cold with temperatures only in the 40s. Notice that by midnight the clouds are mainly in eastern Pennsylvania. We will be, in terms of clear skies for tomorrow, we'll have a lot of sunshine. It will be windy and quite cool though, with temperatures only in the 40s, and compared to what we saw over the weekend with temperatures in the 80s, it's going to be quite different. You won't need the sunscreen. Instead, you'll need the jacket during the day tomorrow. Details of the forecast for tonight: a few flurries, especially this evening, otherwise clearing and cold with low temperatures down in the low 20s here in State College. Tomorrow, a lot of sunshine, but again, it will be ineffective. Cold and windy, temperatures only in the middle part of the 40s, and unfortunately, it really doesn't warm up like we saw over the weekend, although temperatures will tend to get back toward normal. All in all, this is a below normal period in terms of temperatures all the way into next weekend. The next major rain chance comes on Saturday, but some good news is that the Easter Bunny there hopping for sunshine on Sunday with temperatures near 60. And that is my latest forecast for now. Hope you have a good night.